What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here again, telling you that old tech, old camera stuff can still work. Because right now I have the Panasonic Lumix GH4, which this camera is about 7 years old, and I'll be using this for my BTS, my run and gun vlog setups. Normally I used to use my Sony A7III, but I wanted this. I wanted the flip out screen where I can see myself. The A7III, I cannot do that. But roll intro. First, let me say this. There is a lot of reviews about this camera. So I am not going to go in depth about, oh, this is the Lumix GH4, blah, 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 blah. There's too much. This is not an in-depth camera review. This is 2021. So I'm using a camera that is 7 years old in 2021. Why? First of all, the 4K. It shoots 4K, the flip out screen, and I can use this camera for professional work, even though it's a micro four thirds sensor, smaller than a crop sensor, very much smaller than a full frame sensor that I'm shooting on right now. So because of that, it's small, the camera itself is small, and the lens choice for this type of camera, so this is a 25 1.8. This is equivalent to a 50mm if you're shooting it on a full frame, and it's very compact. So the other day I vlogged a car content creator challenge, and I loved it. It was very easy to use. But one of the main downfall for me with vlogging on this is the autofocus. They say it has autofocus, but I don't know what the hell is that. I don't call it autofocus because it's garbage. So because the camera has focus peaking, I can see what is in focus. You know, the flip out screen, I'm not going to say it, the flip out screen, I wish the A7III had this flip out screen where I can choose the angles and see myself while I'm vlogging. As I say, manual focus works for me, and because the camera is so compact, it's very easy to move around with, very portable. And the battery life, I would say the battery life is very amazing. And I can also take stills. Even though this is a 16 megapixel camera, it also shoots raw, and I can shoot flat profile when I'm shooting videos. Slow motion, it's okay, it's alright. It's not 120 like the A7III, but 96 frames per second, I can live with it because it's not that serious. For me, it's not that serious. Right, but I realized that when I wanted BTS for most of my photo shoots or any shoot that I'm on now, I'm always using my phone, which I hate so much because I want to get that dynamics, you know, that background separation, but I'm not getting that with my phone. So I went ahead and I got the Lumix GH4 because I think this camera was ahead of its time. And the price for this camera is about almost $700. I think it's $697. For me, that price is perfect because the camera that I would love to use for my vlogging, my everyday walking up and down vlogging, would be the Sony A7III. But that's a lot of money right now. Well, in this time, I can use it for professional use as well because I currently have the Mckinnon speed boost adapter that I use on my Blackmagic. So that means I can mount EF lens on this camera, and I can get that full frame background separation. And another thing, it shoots 10-bit 422 externally. So the monitor right here is the Atomos Ninja V. Yeah, the Atomos Ninja V. And if I should record to it, I can get 10-bit 422, which have more room for color grading and stuff like that. I would recommend this camera for you if you're on a budget. and it's good. It's a good BTS camera. It's a good BTS camera for what it's worth. Old tech, and I will never stop saying this. Old tech is still good. Doesn't matter the year. It all depends on what you're using it for. Because this camera is what I'll be using for my BTS and my on-the-go vlog setup. So I guess that's it for this video. I will see you again next time. Peace.